Chief Twit experiencing content moderation. Johnny 5 is alive and packing, and your Tuesday pick. Arbitrage News Daily starts right now. Good morning. Here's your Arbitrage News Daily for Tuesday, December 6, 2022. I'm Joshua Stark. Since the world's richest man paid $44 billion for Twitter, the platform has struggled to define its rules for misinformation and hate speech, issued conflicting and contradictory announcements, and failed to fully address what researchers say is a troubling rise in hate speech. As the chief Twit may be learning, running a global platform with nearly 240 million active daily users requires more than good algorithms and often demands imperfect solutions to messy situations, tough choices that must ultimately be made by a human and are sure to displease someone. More after this.
To protect his home and family from disaster, Steve used courage, wisdom, and his camera phone.
That should do it.
Way to go, Steve! By simply taking digital pictures of his family's important documents, Steve can always have them stored safely online, no matter when disaster strikes. Learn other simple ways to protect your home and family before a natural disaster at ready.gov. That's ready.gov. A message from FEMA and the Ad Council.
The unabashedly liberal city of San Francisco became the unlikely proponent of weaponized police robots last week after supervisors approved limited use of the remote-controlled devices, addressing head-on an evolving technology that has become more widely available, even if it's rarely deployed to confront suspects. The San Francisco Board of Supervisors voted 8-3 on Tuesday to permit police to use robots armed with explosives in extreme situations where lives are at stake and no other alternative is available. Your Tuesday pick: designs, manufactures, and supplies analog and mixed signal semiconductor platform solutions for communications, the Internet of Things, consumer, industrial, and automotive applications. Magnachip Semiconductor, symbol MX, starts at $9.55 a share. We'll be back after this. Stick around.
We're all doing a lot. A lot of swiping, streaming, scrolling, double tapping, and social media stalking. A whole lot of nothing. You're probably scrolling right now. While we think a certain red heart is giving us life, we're neglecting the one that actually does. So let's take a stand against sitting. Let's care more about strolling than scrolling. Let's take charge of our health. Let's make moves together, starting now. Now.
New York Mayor Eric Adams' administration posted a job listing this week seeking someone to lead the city's long-running battle against rats. The official job title is Director of Rodent Mitigation, although it was promptly dubbed the Rat Czar. Salary range is $120,000 to $170,000. The ideal candidate is highly motivated and somewhat bloodthirsty, determined to look at all solutions from various angles. We'll see you tomorrow.
Arbitrage Trade Analytics, LLC, is a privately held market research company. Arbitrage Trade Analytics, LLC, is solely responsible for the preparation and distribution of the content of this podcast. The opinions offered in this podcast are for informational purposes only and are not intended to be investment advice. Seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. For more information about the informational research and services offered by Arbitrage Trade Analytics, LLC, please visit arbitragetrade.com.